Hi, I'm back, and it's not coming off, so guess what? We're just gonna break it.
Well, which one was that? What kind of charger did that one need?
Called batteries.
Oh.
Because... Oh, what just popped off there? I was really hoping taking it apart and putting it back together, but it's not going to happen. Oh, definitely not happening now. So, yeah. Oh, where's the lens? Flash department. Lens and the flash. I'm new to this. I try to put it right in the middle, and that doesn't work. Whoop! Just broke the window. The window.
Oh, this is the only other one. No. It's over there. Neither one will work. Can't remember even what this one's from.
Let's see, there's the green part. Most times it's always green.
No, I guess I don't. The two I have won't work.
Oh, you are making... Why is it not disconnecting here? Attached somewhere, is it? That is a very tiny screw. That is very tiny. Yeah. The battery's still in there. Ah, so I was right about corrosion. That's corrosion.
What?
I was right that there was corrosion in there.
Yeah, did it get wet? Or was it been in there too long?
Definitely corrosion. I don't know if you guys can see that. So, I was right. So, right through into there. Corrosion. Yeah, she's a pain in my butt.
Who are you talking to?
Oh. Guessing that's cord. Like, lens. So this department's the battery department right under here. It's just the lens and but what's under here? Oh. That's that department. Kind of want to see what's underneath that flash area. There's a big battery that operates that. Some battery powered thing. And that's that. Kind of get the idea of it. And I guess I'm going to be done. And now to the garbage we go.